Do you have huge dreams for yourself? Does it seem impossible to achieve your goals? If you want to attract wealth and abundance to your life, just keep on watching. Hello everyone, this is Maitri and you're watching Positivity Sutra. Today we are going to talk about the secret of law of attraction. But before we move ahead, don't forget to press the subscribe button for awesome videos. So, you must have heard about law of attraction before. Nowadays, law of attraction has a lot of awareness. I first time heard about it when I watched the movie The Secret. It's a great movie. If you haven't already watched it, make sure you do after this. I watched it 3-4 years ago. There is also a book, The Secret. This is written by Rhonda Byrne. This movie had a massive impact on me. You know, it was like a moment of epiphany for me. It felt like I found some treasure. I didn't have a single percent of doubt that it's gonna work. And I think that faith is what actually works for me. The people who were talking in the movie, I could feel connected to them. And I started researching about it a lot and started applying it in my life. After that, there were so many positive changes in my life, I can't even begin to explain how my life has changed. Previously, even small issues could impact me massively. I used to get stressed and worried when there was a problem. But nowadays, when there is a problem, I don't get stressed. I first think about the solution. That's it. But this is such a huge change that has solved almost 50% of my life problems. So this law of attraction, it's such a deep topic. If I start talking about it, it's gonna take hours. So I'm gonna give you just a basic idea about it now. This is a fancy term. The simple explanation would be, whatever it is that you do not want in your life, stop thinking about it 100%, and whatever you want in your life, just shift your focus to that only. Isn't that simple? Our body is, in simple terms, energy. All the flowers, leaves, trees, every single thing in the world is energy, and our thoughts are vibrations. You don't realize how powerful your thoughts are. Some people would say thoughts are only thoughts. Why would they matter? Well, your thoughts can change anything. Each and every decision of your life, no matter how small or big it is, each achievements, each change start from a single thought. The more you take your own thoughts towards positive side, the more positive changes will happen in your life. Similarly, if you take your thoughts towards negativity, you're going to attract negative things in your whole life. Simple. Each thought has a frequency, and we can communicate with universe through these frequencies. So what we think is what is accepted by the universe. It doesn't consider anything as a positive or negative thought or subconscious or conscious thoughts. Thoughts are only thoughts for the universe, and when we have any focused thought, it is accepted by the universe. So guys, negative thoughts equal to negative frequency equal to negative result. Positive thoughts equal to positive frequency equal to positive result. So try to stay away from negative thoughts. I'll talk about it in another video. I'll give you an example about how negative thoughts affects us. You'll notice some people always keep on complaining like, my salary is never sufficient. I get too little for the work that I do. Why am I not getting promoted? I'm never able to save money. People with these kind of mentality repeatedly attract similar thing to their life. They suffer throughout their life and always remain unsuccessful. An average human being is always attracted to negative things at first unknowingly. When we dream about our future, think about our ambitions, negativity hits us first. For example, when we get an idea, the first thought is, I don't think I'll be able to pull this off. It seems very complicated to execute. It's gonna be tough. I'll be unsuccessful. Those who are able to do it are either lucky or talented. I am neither lucky nor talented, etc. It's over. Universe has already heard what you said in your mind. And boom, your wish is granted. Universe has already started the manifestation process. It has already started working on it. You only failed yourself from the beginning. To avoid this from happening, you have to choose your thoughts consciously. You'll need to shift your negative thoughts, be aware of what you're thinking, listen to the dialogues inside your head. That's only is worth 50% of work. Trust me on this. Listen to them and choose. What to choose? What you don't need, stop thinking about it, and what you need, start focusing all your thoughts on it. Let the positive thoughts in, get the negative thoughts out. Shift your thoughts. That's my advice to you. Try it once and let me know about all the positive changes that they have brought into your lives. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave a comment. Bye guys.